Hi friends, many of you don't know how to do the scanning in the TradingView. Okay, for that, if you have any rules, you can create your own Pine script for making a scan. But you need to have such a Pine script which can give you accurate scanning. And at the time of breakout, you should be able to find out the stocks. How to do that scan and how to use the indicator that I am going to explain now. Okay, and because the whatever the indicator which I have given to you, that you can use for the scanning. Okay. So what you need to do in the morning actually is you need to open two things. Okay, so one which shows you the stocks here, another is a scanner. Okay, so how this scanner, how to use this? Okay, that is the question. Click here, click on products. Okay, so click here, you'll get screener. Okay, just click on screener, then you'll get a pine beta. Okay, just click on pine beta. Then there is a watch list. So whatever the stocks watch list you have created, Nifty 500, any stocks which you have created. For example, I have created so many watch list. Out of that, I want to do scanning only in FNO stocks. Okay. For example, if I want to do only FNO stocks, now which scanner I will use? I have the God gift which I have given to you that you can use. Okay. So once you select this, then there is breakout about 50%, breakout below 50%, all these things will come. So you can use that also. But simple what I have done here. So I have made uh, scanner long entry signal. If it is true, then click on scan. Okay, so it will scan the stocks. If you are looking for short selling, you can use for scanner short entry signal. Depending on the market, you can choose. Once you scan like this, you will get stocks automatically coming over here. Okay. So all these FNO stocks are coming here. Now you see DV Slab came, IIFL Finance came, Infosys came. So in the morning, what you need to do, you need to keep the scanner one side. Other side, you open a TradingView account. Okay. So now, suppose if you get a scanner stocks coming here, so you keep on scanning here. If you are a good, what do you call that, IT engineer, what you can do, you can automate it. Okay, how you can automate? Automatically using some applications, some automations are there. So it should keep on scanning every 2 minutes, every 1 minute like that. If you, it should go click automatically the scan, the stock should come updated scanner every second whenever there is a things coming here. So that you can, if you can automate, you can do that. Otherwise, you do it manually like this. Then you go here. Any stocks comes there. Okay, so let's assume some stocks already there. So what you can do, you can go to screen super charts here. Then the first stock which I got is DV Slab. Okay, so what I will do, I will just type the DV Slab. DV Slab. Okay, so I will use 5 minute time frame. Okay, so for intraday trading, 5 minutes is sufficient enough. Just click on the God gift previous day high, previous day low indicator. Now you see when you need to take the entry. Okay, the question is when to take the entry. Whenever the price is above the daily support level, okay, so don't take entry immediately. Or if you want to take the entry also, you need to keep this S1 as a stop loss. Or you can take entry only when the price crosses above the R1. Okay, so when the because normally from R1 the reversal many times it comes down. Okay, once the R1 breakout comes, then you take the entry, and the best place to take the entry in 5 minute time frame is 25% zone you see here. I will mark it. I will show you 1 second. Okay, this 25%, 50%. Okay, so these zones are very, very important. There is one more red line here, that is 75%. Okay, so these things will help you to do the proper scanning, the 75%. The 75% means almost journey is over. So you should enter only at this level. For sell side, this will come first, and this will come second, this will come third. Okay, so when the price crosses above daily resistance and R1, you can take an entry here, or when the price candle close above the 25%, you take the entry and keep this -1 candle as a stop loss. It's very simple, and use this setup. It's a very good scanner, but only thing you need to have a premium account, I think. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so to do the scanning. Okay. Thank you. Hope it clarifies your doubts.